Looks like this job might fall behind. Stuck looking for answers, trying to get your equipment and your schedule back on track? That's a construction nightmare. Except this customer has a CAT CVA on that machine with S.O.S fluid analysis, so we were able to detect dirt in the fluids. Caught the problem, a cracked intake tube, before it led to something much bigger, like total engine failure. So this note, not as bad as it might have been. And that cracked tube, replaced with a CAT part, and fast. Because if for some reason we can't get it to you as soon as the second business day, you get CAT credit. Without a CVA, you're rolling the dice on equipment performance, repair costs, downtime. With the CVA, well, that's peace of mind. Call your CAT dealer. Ask them about a CVA with S.O.S.